Hi teachers and staff. Let's talk about setting your availability in the staff portal and why it's absolutely essential. Your availability determines when students can book lessons with you, reschedule sessions, or even access your calendar for planning. Without it, you risk missing out on bookings and leaving your schedule in disarray. Let's get it set up properly. To begin, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar at the top right corner of the dashboard and select Profile. Once there, click the Availability tab. This is where you'll define your working hours, breaks, and days off. On the availability screen, you'll see a list of days with toggles to activate or deactivate. Turn on the days you're available for lessons. Then, set your start and end times by clicking the time fields and adjusting them as needed. Don't forget to add breaks during the day if you need downtime between sessions. Simply click the plus icon to create a break, define the time window, and hit Save. As you adjust these settings, you'll notice the duration column updates automatically, giving you a clear view of your total availability for each day. Once all your days and times are set, double-check everything and hit the Save button to lock in your schedule. Now let's handle personal holidays. School holidays are handled separately by school admin. These are your personal holidays. The Holidays section is just below the same page. Click the Add button to input a new holiday. Let's fill in the name and the date. Once saved, this holiday will block your availability during that period, preventing bookings or scheduling conflicts. However, some courses may still proceed if the admin has enabled them to bypass holidays in the settings. If you want to edit or delete a certain holiday, just click on the three-dot icon under the Actions column. Remember, your availability is how students and staff know when they can work with you. Keeping it up to date ensures smooth bookings, reschedules, and a stress-free workflow for everyone involved. If you ever need to make changes, simply revisit the same steps. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.